Unlock the secret to sparkling clean with shaving cream. In today's video, we're exploring a surprising cleaning hack, shaving cream. Not just for a smooth shave, it's a cleaning marvel. First, it's gentle. Shaving cream is designed for sensitive skin, making it perfect for delicate surfaces without causing damage. It's also versatile. From mirrors to jewelry, shaving cream can clean a variety of items, leaving them sparkling without harsh chemicals. Imagine your bathroom mirror fog-free. Applying a thin layer of shaving cream and wiping it off can prevent fog for weeks. Stains on your carpet? No problem. Shaving cream can lift those pesky stains with ease, making your carpet look new. For your jewelry, a dab of shaving cream and a rinse can bring back the shine, making your pieces look stunning. So, forget about expensive cleaners. Shaving cream is the unexpected hero in your cleaning arsenal, promising a clean and shiny home.